White onions. Do I see do I see anything in there? And basil. This is my basil. I saw a little something coming up in one of these. I can't see it on the camera. I think it was my white onion. Is it right there? And these seeds was planted 3-2. Okay. Then I got my green onions. Well, supposedly. I see nothing. That was planted 3-2. More basil. 3-2. Nothing. And look at it. Finally got something going on here. Cilantro. Finally. A little something out of one of them. Boy, I tell you. Garlic. It's coming through real good. Got a lot of roots going on. I'm going to need to find out. I think it's time to break these up and plant them. Maybe. I don't know. Sweet potatoes, nothing yet. I forgot to date them, but they haven't been planted. They've been planted maybe a week. But this here ginger. I'm going to research. I have no idea how long it's supposed to take. But I've got nothing. And I planted these, 3 weeks ago? 2 weeks ago? Not sure. Didn't date that either. Shame on me. Elderberry John, doing pretty good. Got the foliage going on the inside there. That was my shorter twig stick. And then we got Adam. I got 2 Adams. And they're coming along. Me some beetroots. I'm going to cook this part. I'm getting ready to boil those. Peel them and boil them. But I cut the tops off so that I can get the foliage. Get these started. And the foliage you can put in salads. And it's a beautiful, beautiful plant. So we're going to see how that does. How that does. Okay, let me get that right. Another basil plant. Going to repot it in the next couple days. House plants, a whole nother level. My poinsettia. It's lost a lot of leaves, which it does every year. I cut it back and cut it down, but they're coming back. I forget what that is called. Someone gave that to me, and it was on its deathbed, and I brought it back. This is a succulent, which is not doing too good. I think I overwatered it. I got a basil in the windowsill. I think I need to tie it up to that stick. This is my avocado. Looks a little perched. I probably need to give it water. And look at this one right here. It has blooms. What do we call that? Oh, I can't think right now. Gracious goodness. Not praying. What is it called? I can't think of it. And then my money tree. That was given to me as well as a birthday gift last year. So I do well with the house plants, but these doggone veggies, I'm catching hell. But it's going to come through for me.